Hi guys and ladies, welcome to my channel. I'm Lou Vachon. I am an online entrepreneur. Well, an entrepreneur simply, it must be said. Today I will talk about affiliate marketing. Maybe a lot of you don't know what it is. So, I will clarify it for you. Also, don't forget to subscribe and sharing with your friends. So, what is affiliate marketing? This is a relevant question to ask. I did not know myself about affiliate marketing a few years ago. I came across this quite by chance in a YouTube advertisement. From memory, I think I was looking for how to make money online. Add an extra $100 a day to my income. It was an amount I found interesting, and the guy who was talking about it said it was easy to accomplish. Nowadays, there are so many ways to make money on the internet. So it is entirely possible for you to do so to pay off some of your debt, your driver's license, insurance, your car, your mortgage, or your children's education. I recommend it. How does affiliate marketing work? This is another question to ask. Well, first you have to find a partner, a company that has an affiliate program. Then it's about signing up for the program. Several are free to join. The others have criteria to meet. Choose the one you like and the niche as well. There are some niches with more profitability. I advise you to choose profitability because it makes sense. The goal is to make money, not spend it without making a buck. You agree with me? So, do you prefer to receive 3% to 10% of an amount X? For example, $30 or 30% to 70% of an amount X. Imagine how many sales at $3 it takes to make $100 a day. 33.33 sales. Imagine now how many sales it takes at $39 to make $100 a day. 2.56 sale. So do you understand the comparison? It's easier to get there with a profitable product, then you get a bigger commission. This is called a high ticket and the other is a low ticket. It's up to you. It's your life, right? But I advise you to integrate the two in your approach. I will talk about this in another video. Did you understand the purpose of affiliate marketing? You are like a seller of furniture, cars, or houses, and you receive a commission in return for the sale. I recapitulate. You find a company in your niche. You become a partner. You choose one or more products and you promote them on the web. When you make a sale, the company pays you a percentage of the price of the product, a commission. It's as simple as that. People might see it as a side job, others might see it as a business. I see it as a business because I have been an entrepreneur at heart for a long time. People aspire to a life of celebrity, to live on a yacht, to make trips, to have a prestige car or a beautiful house, to realize their dream what, and not to have any more problem with money. What are the benefits of affiliate marketing? Well, you don't need to have an inventory to pay warehouse fees, pay office fees and electricity. Waste time waiting for your inventory from China and pay customs. Dealing with dissatisfied customers or refunds. You just need a computer or a good internet connection to start this job. Then, it depends on your persistence and the quality of your traffic. I mean, visitor, to be successful. I will make a video about internet traffic later. However, there is a small disadvantage. Affiliate marketing is not learned in school. So, you must learn from someone, like a mentor, if you want to be successful in life with this kind of job. For my part, I am self-taught. I can learn anything with my visual memory. Thus, it is more clever to have a mentor under your hand to advance with ease in learning and this new adventure. Fortunately, there are courses given online. And the best, in my opinion, is the 4% Success Challenge. This is the course I took, and I highly recommend it. It changed my life, and it could change yours too. Of course, there is also an alternative that I will place in second position. This is the ClickBank University 2.0 course. What ClickBank itself is a great platform for affiliate marketer. And they teach you how to do affiliate marketing to get results. It is awesome, right? In third position, I would place the course of the millionaire John Crestani. I like this guy. It is funny when he throws money with his cash throwing machine. However, it is up to you to decide which one will interest you. I'm not in your head, and I'm not controlling you with my sophisticated remote of the future. To conclude, I hope this video is very valuable to you and clears up your question about affiliate marketing. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and read the description below. It's very important. I wish you a great day, my friend, and I will see you in another video. Please share. Goodbye.